So here we are at the pocket of Boise, Idaho, pool tournament going on, and there's a champion in here somewhere who's doing that, and we're behind the scenes with the announcer. Pretty cool. Whole group of people. A lot of people going on here. This pool tournament. There's about 200 people here, somewhere around there. More pocket stuff. Camera crews, people. Oh, so many people. And we're behind the other camera crew right now. There's so many big tournament. There's I don't know if we can zoom in. I don't know. That's the leaderboard. I don't know if my camera's going to be able to do it. So many people, so much.